Hi, welcome to Gene Loves Plants. Today we're not going to necessarily talk about a plant in particular. We're going to talk about a moisture meter and why they're so important. I'm going to give you guys several examples of why I like mine and why I need it. So let's get to the video. One of the main reasons I like using these guys is because it just protects your plants. I found that before I started using a water meter, I had no way to gauge, and of course it makes sense right now. How could I gauge how much moisture the plant is getting if I can't even see what's beneath the plant, right? So this guy is so great. You just turn it on. This particular one gives you Celsius and Fahrenheit, right? You just press it in the plant. So this is my beautiful agave potatorum. And one of the things about this guy, or any agave that I've ever had, is that they could be good one day and the next day, these little buggers can get waterlogged and die. So today is watering day, I think, but how do I know? By this guy. I'll put that on Fahrenheit. It's dry now because it's not in anything. Stick that in, and what does it say? It's dry. All right, so we're gonna fix that by watering it. This take, you really can't see the display, but it goes from dry and it stays at dry. It's a little blurry, but you can see it said dry on the digital display. Just gonna press that down gingerly into the soil, and boom. We got wet, moist soil, which is what we like. I really like this because of the ease of reading. It gives you the temperature in the building, so you kind of understand what your plants are going through. So I'll give you the links that I have for this one. This is my favorite right now, and basically because it's digital, I love tech. Anytime I get to use tech, I'm gonna use tech. So I'll give you the link to this. Again, I recommend it when I landscape. It's a part of the package. I always leave it with my clients because you can kill your plants. They love water, they need water, but the amount of water each plant gets is particular to that plant. A water meter will save you a lot of heartache, a lot of time, and a lot of energy.